wrote this poem with a lot of emotions. Deep down, I know that love conquers all, but when I see things happening, I just can't really understand. So, here goes my poem. How many lives? How many alive? How many more lives? The system is counting them, us, down to a ticking time bomb, almost reaching zero. The colonial, racist, fascist, anti-Semitic, capitalistic, and imperialistic powers that be clothe themselves as false prophets, studying our humanity and using our reflection against us, attempt to infiltrate minds, grasping wills to surrender as puppets of their agenda. Yet, they forget that we are children of there is nothing new under the sun. And shame on me for not hearing your cries earlier, didn't do anything sooner, was oblivious to the hell they're over, got too comfortable in my bubble, blind to the fact that problems in my region and in your region are so interconnected with each other. Look close, they are not far away. Kindred souls are under attack and it's a spiritual warfare. But now we stay discerning of the different face, same evil, that deceive their bloody hands, uttering empty sorries with hypocrite smiles that ha 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 disharm me. To them, we may be ants under their boots. Fools they are, forgetting that ants come together, march for good, and get things done too. Never forget that we are children of the truth can't be hidden for too long under the sun. History repeats itself. Protest of ancestors still relevant to this day. Wisdom anchored in universal laws that teach us about love, oneness, and condemning violence. In hope that after raising awareness and boycotting, it will all end. If not, what ways of defending will we be left with? I hope not, but I'm just Malcolm asking. Oh God, where are you? The sun has witnessed it all as a righteous father. The moon has felt it all, the caring mother. Justice will be served to free the wounded souls in repair of faith, a promise in the Holy Scripture that kept the will of lives alive while bombs rain from the sky. Restore my faith in knowing that our pulse, have mattered, does matter. Too many souls fly above the land their fruiting joy has been removed from. I hope they have a home in the loving embrace of the protection of the infinite presence, that day in and night out will carry their spirit in glorious ballads for the world to remember who they were, who they are. As the sun warms our solidarity, as the setting sun warms our solidarity, the rising moon soothes our weeping soul. Setting moon mourns lost of her children, and the rising sun boils our exertion. The suffering overseas, we are mourning it here. There is no perceived other.